Finally, a done-for-you workbook and complete business in a box. The 7-Step Panacea Workbook contains genetic recoding strategies and therapeutic course exercises utilizing proven self-analysis and core psychotherapy questions, meditations, and step-by-step exercises with perceptual reframing techniques to effectively reprogram the subconscious mind. This therapeutic and strategic workbook is designed for those who are ready to feel empowered and independently run their own professional coaching or therapy practice with an option to earn an internationally accredited diploma in less than 7 weeks. It's also for those who are ready to work remotely from any location, who are high achievers, looking for guidance and rapid solutions, are ready for more support and a shortcut to their success, who want to advance to the next stage of their life and would like to fulfill their purpose and align to a more meaningful career, who are ready for a professional coaching or therapy practice and just start their exciting turnkey operation with a complete business in a box. It's a done-for-you workbook with a solution-focused system as a fast track to implementing genetic recoding for professionals to jumpstart or advance a coaching career right away. Receive your introductory course free when you sign up. Click the link to get started.